welcome back again to my channel. And today it's your girl Lissy. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much, so much. So today, guys, I'm in the kitchen. So I wanted to do some fish and ugali. So with sukuma, yes. This is quarantine, so you have to make with what you have. And I love sukuma so much. Sukuma, for those who don't know in Kiswahili, in Kiswahili it's called sukuma, but in English it's called kale. So it's kale and ugali or sima with fish. So I've already marinated my fish. So these fish they're called taffy, I don't know, something like that, taffy. And what I've done is I have marinated them with garlic. I've crushed some garlic here. This garlic, I don't know if you can see, guys. Yes, that's garlic. I've crushed it and I've taken like a tablespoon and I've added here. So, and I've also added some black pepper. I don't know if you can see, guys. I've added a teaspoonful of it, and I've also added some salt. This is salt, so I've added some salt here. So 3 ingredients, guys. I've used garlic, and I've used black pepper, and I've used salt. So I'm leaving them to marinate. I'll put them in the fridge, but I'm in a hurry right now. So I'll just leave them to marinate here. And as you can see, here there's sima, there's this water for ugali, this for the sima, guys, the ugali. And yes, so let's start cooking, guys. So guys, I want to cook the sima, and this will be my co-chef. So come along, guys, and let's cook the sima, the ugali. So the light is coming from the window, so I need that light actually come on the screen. And it's not easy. I don't like cooking ugali. Let me tell you the truth, guys. I hate it. But hey, if you love sima, ugali, then you have to now direct it. Here, my director. Now I'm putting the unga. My camera doesn't want to focus. So guys, tell me if you love cooking ugali or not. Where is my kitamba? Here it is. Don't so make sound. Hey, I hate cooking ugali.
But mom, you're Kenyan.
I love eating ugali. Don't misunderstand me. I love eating ugali, but I don't like cooking it. Like now, I've put a lot of maize flour, and the water is kidogo. But let's make this work. So guys, I'm just turning it over and over. You put medium heat, remember? Medium heat, yes. So that it won't burn and it will cook nicely, slow but nice. So yes, it has already mixed. I can see no flour, it's already mixed. And I'm going to leave it now to cook. And if you're an African, you know you have to do this for ugali, like this. See? Kenyan or African? African, I mean Kenyan. I think as Kenyan, we're the only people who eat ugali. Because Uganda, they eat the banana ugali and the cassava ugali, yeah? If I'm not wrong, and Nigerians too. Kenyan, we eat the maize flour ugali. I don't know about the rest. And also Tanzanian. I think they eat. If you're from Tanzania, just tell me, comment down below if you eat this ugali too. Kama wewe ni Mtanzania and unajua mnakula ugali sima ya mahindi, comment hapo chini. Yeah, that is Kiswahili, because I know Tanzanian, my friends, English sometimes can pass by, and it's not offensive. Don't come here talking. Smells good. Smells like it's ready.
Can you smell that, guys?
Now, guys, it's not recording. Is it recording?
Yes.
Guys, we are eating maembe while we are cooking ugali with my daughter. Tell me if you're best friend with your daughter or not. My younger one is a little bit stubborn, and she has friends over. That's why she's playing right now. She'll be here jumping up and down in this video. Yeah. So it's ready. I'm going to put it here. Nice. I'm hungry, that's why I'm eating the mango.
It was my idea. She never wanted to eat the mango, but now I see her taking it.
It's ready. You see? That's how you put ugali. Ready, ugali. And you don't want to open it yet because it's still cooking in that steam. So hot, very hot.
Don't mind my face.
Want us to start the fire and put the pan there. Now we are about to make this. Going directly. We're going to put some. I'm putting some oil.
That's all.
So guys, our oil is ready. The fish is flipping over. So I'm scared of the pan. Nice. And I'm going to put them here after that. So guys, this is it. Then will be ready. The ones we have marinated are here, and our ugali is here. So I've left them to cook under. So I'm going to flip them over. You see? I'm using tools when I want to flip them, like supporting the other one, then I flip them and let them cook the other side. going to put some garlic. Here's garlic. If you want a tasty kale, sukuma, just add some garlic. Guys, it tastes amazing. Yani, it's kale with taste, so amazing. And I'm not going to use tomato. I'm not using tomato. I just want to like a pan fry sukuma or kale. So guys, our onions, I like my onions to be brown, and they are brown already. So my kale is still draining some water. This is the kale still draining some water. That's why I have this my kitchen look there. So I'm going just to put I'm going to put salt and I'm not going to put much salt because I'm going to put Royco cubes, guys.
The green are called
No, there's another company.
yeah.
So I'm going to put Royco cubes. Look at this. Look at this. Now my daughter has told me. I don't know. Guys, I don't know if this phone will focus. Yes. Now my daughter tells me and I'm seeing it. You see this Royco cube? You see? It's Royco cube. The red one. The beef flavor. Now the green one, it's not Royco. It's Nor beef flavor. And I thought both are Royco.
Everyone thought.
What?
So I see things. I see the.
So I'm going to put these two. Please, nachomana nitaka kuingia mkono kwa simu. So that's our Royco cubes. I don't know what to call them, Nor or Royco, because I thought they are both the same, the red one and the green ones. But I've used the green one. So our sukuma is ready. Let the Royco just to cook, and our kale is ready. So guys, the difference, I saw the difference today, the red one and the green one.
Who told you?
My daughter told me. So just go check them out, read them fast. So yes. So guys, I'm done cooking and I'm here eating so that you see it's ready. That's our fish and I'm here. So guys, thank you for watching and let me eat because I'm very hungry. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. And yes guys, give this video a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye, and remember to always stay positive.